There's no blood.
My soul is bleeding, friend.
Come here.
The 3rd of May, 2025, California. Officers responded to a suspicious person report near 2nd Street. A foot pursuit, a physical arrest, and an on-camera force admission raised 3 core legal issues under California and federal law.
I'm sorry, I thought it was more readily apparent to you that I am missing my...
Looks like it's probably still there. There's no blood.
My soul is bleeding, friend.
Your soul is bleeding. You take anything today?
No.
You sure?
My desk, like, I'm trying, this is all the different ways of me dealing with it.
Yeah, you definitely took something today. I can tell by your eyes.
No, my, something.
You got ID on you?
Shit. They told me it was going to be bad.
Come here.
Huh? You, man.
Come here. What are you doing?
I pissed my ass.
Come here. That quarter, he's running. Fight me! Fight me! Give me your hand! Give me your hand!
Am I bleeding?
Somebody's running.
I got him. Got him.
Right.
Hold still.
Here at 569 I couldn't hear you. Everybody's either around raising canes or 115s on the 2nd Street.
I got him. Man,
You, bro.
21.
This is my dad.
Is it actually, or is he just?
1830?
No, he's just whack.
No, I need help.
He's just high on meth. Yeah.
No, I'm really...
Get up.
Guys! All right, then.
Do not.
Go get in the car.
I'm sorry, I took... Kevin! I'm sorry, please.
Walk your ass to the car. Stop trying to bite me.
Help, please don't kill me.
Keep trying to bite me.
You f***ing bite, you won't get hit in the mouth. You understand?
Thank you. I'm sorry. Somebody come my door! Asshole!
Hey, you!
Don't kick me.
Check, okay.
Where the f is everybody else at?
Fine now.
1836.
Where's McCoy?
I get pissed off watching the radio. Everybody's marching off the Raising Cane's.
30 headquarters, yes.
Incoming unit, you can shut your lights off. We got him.
Okay, through DS.
What did you take off running from you? Huh? What did you take off running from you?
Do what?
Did you take off running from you?
475.
I was trying to get out of the jail and clear, and I'm working out here. But I'm like,
Frank Houston, enforcement status is valid 34 years of age.
who's that?
Where are you at? You're good. He's all taken care of now. I don't know.
What's up? What's going on, Kings?
Some domestic. There's like 4 people up there fighting apparently.
Okay. Well, I'll follow you to jail.
All right.
Let me see if I know him.
Yeah.
I was something funny?
What's your name?
One of you f***ing pigs shot me.
What's your name?
My name is F. Scott. Oh. We're gonna figure it out together, huh?
You're clear. Jail has been advised.
You try to be brave. You guys don't. Where you at then? Gavin. Don't be so fucking embarrassed. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was.
Come on, get out here.
All right.
There we go. Nurse, can you step down here with yourself?
Can I?
Get out of my car? Yeah, you can.
Let me start dealing with the damage. All right.
Come on, dude. Just step out here. You can obviously walk. Bite. Who's the nurse today? Tracy. Come on, get out here so we can put your shorts on.
Can I, like, pass out?
Okay, well, we're going to get you in there so the nurse can check you. All right? You step out here so the nurse can check you. He's high as hell right now. He's all.
Can I lay down?
All right. I'm going to step out here. Stop turning around with it.
I'm gonna
Stand up. Look straight sitting in the chair. There's not really much we can pat down right now until the nurse checks up. Control, have the porter bring a blanket or something to booking, please.
So, the problem is, am I physically, yeah.
Chill out, man. Just relax. You're not going away.
I'm not on drugs, really.
Okay, well then you definitely shouldn't be acting like this then. Just chill out. The nurse is going to
Look, I stick my in.
We've got a blanket coming so that way we can get you covered up. Your clothes are soaked and on the floor. So. Sit up so the nurse can look at your head, all right?
I don't know what I'm.
Okay, I'm gonna wipe your head so I can see what I'm looking at. Sorry.
Can you sit your head up? She's just got to be able to see it.
I'm gonna move your hair out of the way.
Hey! No!
Okay, yep, nope.
Medically cleared, or is he good?
I can't, if I could get a good look at the wound, I will tell you.
Stop turning your head towards me. It's just a scrape. He was naked like this, tried fighting me. Here, if you want to clean it, I got his hair. When he was walking down 2nd Street screaming that his cut off.
It doesn't look like it needs a stitch, so.
So he's good?
Hurriedly.
I don't know. I kind of checked him against the car. I checked him against the car, so that may have happened then. He bounced.
Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968. Officers may conduct an investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Visible disorientation and erratic public behavior met this threshold. Without it, the entire contact would be constitutionally invalid. California Welfare and Institutions. Code Section 5150. Law enforcement may initiate a 72-hour involuntary psychiatric hold when a mental disorder creates danger to self or others. Crisis indicators were present at first contact. This pathway was not pursued. A legally available alternative went unused. Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 1192000. Unprovoked flight during an active investigative stop strengthens reasonable suspicion and authorizes pursuit. Flight does not independently establish probable cause for arrest, but it eliminates ambiguity about the lawful authority to detain and pursue. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Use of force is judged by a three-factor test: severity of the offense, immediacy of threat to safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting or fleeing. All three factors were present. This is the federal baseline every officer use of force decision is measured against. California Penal Code Section 835A, amended by Assembly Bill 3922020. California imposes a stricter standard than federal law. Force must be necessary, not merely reasonable. Officers must consider alternatives before applying physical control. Any resulting injury mandates formal documentation. This is the standard that governs this incident. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966. Post-arrest questioning without Miranda advisement renders resulting statements suppressible under the Fifth Amendment. Asking a subject why he fled after handcuffs are on constitutes custodial interrogation. No Miranda warning was captured on camera before that questioning occurred. California Penal Code Section 835A and California Post Policy. Any force application resulting in injury requires a formal use of force report. The on-camera statement "I kind of checked him" against the car is an informal admission of a force event producing a documented head wound. Whether a formal report was filed cannot be confirmed from available footage. That gap, if real, is a direct policy violation under AB 392. California Penal Code Section 1001.36. Pretrial mental health diversion is available when a diagnosed mental disorder was a significant factor in the offense. Successful completion results in full dismissal of charges. All three charges filed here may qualify for diversion referral pending a court-ordered psychiatric evaluation. Key legal lessons from this incident. 1. Document every use of force, formally, not verbally, on camera. 2. Mental health crisis indicators require active consideration of WIC 5150, not default to criminal arrest. 3. Post-arrest questioning always requires Miranda first. 4. Threat language during restraint is a documented liability, not a tactic.